Hi, my name is Devonte from Metro Garage Door, and today we will be realigning some photo eyes. So every photo eye is different. One's going to be the receiver, and one is going to be the signal source. You can tell by the bottom markings, and one is amber and one is green. You want to attach your photo eyes within 6 inches of the ground, like so. Always maintaining that your photo eye light will be visible from the groove and your lens is pointed towards the other rail. So now that your photo eyes are aligned correctly within 6 inches of the ground, pointing directly at each other, you'll see a green or amber light. When it's solid, that means there's a direct connection and there's no further troubleshooting required. However, if your green receiving light is blinking, that's how you know that the photo eyes are misaligned. So a quick jiggle, you can pop it right off and then readjust your photo eyes until you get it to the desired position. If you ever have an issue where the green light is blinking and the amber light is not blinking, that just means it's a misalignment. If you ever have an issue where the amber light is blinking, that might be a wiring problem or the problem with the operator itself. Now, if you take a look at the photo eye itself, you can see that there's a groove for the laser to transmit from. Pretty much, you want to make sure your wing nut is locked and tightly securing that photo eye in place so no random bumps or things falling can affect its integrity. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Devonte, and that is how you realign your photo eyes the Metro way.